Introducing People Finder, a feature of SkillsBase that gives you the ability to instantly find skilled people across your organization. There are many ways to break down your search, including skill level, interest level, location, team, role, qualifications, and custom fields that you set. Let's say you have an upcoming job and you want to find someone that would be a good fit. In this case, we want to find people that are skilled in the assembly efficiency, who also have a basic understanding of equipment maintenance. And we need them to be located in the Sydney office. People Finder takes your criteria and quickly scans your entire organization for the best fit exact match candidates. It will also find people that are close to reaching the criteria. For example, they might be located in a different office. These results can be exported to CSV for further analysis and saved for easy access at a later date. Learn what else SkillsBase can do for you and head to our website at skills-base.com.